Fox 29's Miley Reynolds is here with what's been trending online today. It's hard to believe, but 20 years ago, the riots in Los Angeles occurred, and the LA station out there is creating a unique way to bridge all these generations together, right?
Yeah, they're using social media. The NBC station in LA created a Twitter account so that people could follow the LA riots in real time. Obviously, Twitter did not exist back then, but they were curious to see what it would be like if it had existed. So they're updating, the event. They're chronicling the events as they happened in 1992. Now, the feed started a few days ago with this tweet right here. Breaking, jury begins deliberations in Rodney King beating trial. Then they've been continuously updating this feed. I've been in touch with their social media reporter, tech reporter, today on Facebook, and he was telling me what's interesting is that a lot of young people have really taken to this Twitter feed, and that's how they're, sort of grasping what happened 20 years ago.
And they certainly are with the number of followers that are connecting. All right,
Yes.
Molly, thank you very much. Still ahead on First